doing a cold plunge. Oh, harder. Amazing.
Casey, where have you been?
Doing a cold plunge.
Cold what?
Cold plunge.
Cold plunge. Where are we? Racer.
We are at Lake Louise.
Lake Louise.
Lake
And
Louise, I mean.
usually it is.
It's very. It usually you can't walk here, but since it's snowy, then you could walk here.
So usually it's water, right? Because it's Lake Louise. So at summertime you can do canoeing here. But today it's frozen.
So you could walk.
We can walk.
And someone's in there.
And someone is having a cold plunge.
Cold plunge.
Is that what you call it? Look at him, my goodness. Wow. This is an experience, right, Drayster?
Yes.
Drayden, are you having fun walking on the frozen Lake Louise? This is our first time, right? Would you dare to do that too? Cold plunge, Drayden?
I would.
No. How cold it is? So Drayden will try how cold is the water. How cold? Is it freezing cold?
Oh, it's
Drayden.
cold. It's cold. Yeah, it's very cold.
It's freezing cold. How cold it is? Can you tell me?
It's like freezing.
Look at that.
Wow.
So what are you trying to do, Drayden? Ooh.
It's very light.
It's very light. It's ice. Come on. Harder. Ah! Harder. Ah! Harder. Oh! Your shoes is wet. How's it, Grandma? How's your experience?
Amazing. This is the Lake Louise, naging frozen na din. Oh. Tingnan yung dami ng mga tao.
Everything is frozen.
Everything is frozen. Yeah. Oh, may naligo pa doon. Ewan ko ba, buhay pa yata.
Grabe, ilang minutes yan.
30 minutes pa yun. Dati ito, water, ngayon frozen. Oh, tingnan nyo. Frozen na rin. Frozen lake. Amazing. Guys.
Why? What did you do? What have you got? What is that?
How did you grab it? Big fizzle. Bro, it's like so soaking wet. What do you want me to put it?
Ganyan mo para makitang frozen.
What are you going to do with that?
Oo, bring home to Philippines.
No!
Kaya po.
And what are you gonna do?
Holy! Wow! Are you going to hold that?
Yeah.
Let's
I'm
go
gonna grab
to
it one
Drace and Daddy.
Okay. Where are they? Yeah, where are they?
In the middle of Lake Louise there!
Oh, how are they all the way over there? Change my mind. I'm gonna break it now.
So, what is your original plan with that? What is your plan with that,
I'm gonna break it
supposedly? You want to break it
Yes.
now? Okay, how are you going to break it?
Just drop it.
Is it going to break?
Oh!
Oh!
That it looks like glass. But frozen with ice. Like, look at this.
Ooh.
It kind of looks clear. I'll keep that part. No! We just dropped some more. It's crazy. Oh my god.
What are you trying to do, Drayster?
Me and Jen are trying to make a snowman, but I can't roll these. The parts could break through.
Are you trying to push it so that it will be a big snowman?
Yes. Oh, like right there in that area,
Uh-huh.
there's like some ice pieces that if you like step on them, you'll fall through. I'll show you. Huh? I mean, like this thing. See, look.
Oh my!
Oh wow.
Oh, there's an ice. Look.
Oh, wow.
Your shoes is so wet.
Oh wow.
Casey, where have you been? Casey, where have you been?
Casey, where have you been?
Oh no, Tracy. What happened there?
Cold na.
What happened? You don't have extra shoes or extra slippers? No? So, time to go?
Home.